Hi guys, how to turn on voice chat in Roblox. Now click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Roblox dashboard, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where all the good stuff hides. Under Account Info, look for the phone number field. Click Add Phone, enter your mobile number, and follow the prompts to verify it. Here's the catch. Without a verified number, voice chat won't even show up. Once your number is verified, select the Privacy and Content Restrictions tab from the left side menu. This step is very important, so don't click anywhere else. Click on the Communication option to open your chat preferences. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get stuck. Find the voice chat or voice data usage option and toggle the switch to turn on Enable Microphone. That's it. You can now unmute yourself in games and talk to your friends. If you don't see the voice chat option, wait 24 hours after verifying your phone number and check again.